All right, well, let's jump right in and talk about the actual project and what it is specifically. Um, so basically, the project is titled Dwelling, Shelter Living in the New Millennium. Um, Objectives are to further or expand my knowledge of the broad spectrum of issues related to contemporary concept of dwelling. Um, to identify and clarify the nature of my projected clients slash users slash dwellers, to establish the parameters for living, dwelling, and the built environments that support these activities and needs. To research and identify the shifts, trends, movements that may clarify recent, current, or projected transformations in design of contemporary dwelling units. So that's just kind of the research stuff, what we're working on right now. We've split up into some teams and are about to tackle some of the just basic background stuff that we need to know. I've started off looking on the HUD website and some other government publications, things like that. So basically, we're going to be talking about site, program, building typology, form and space, and value and meaning, which I'll go more into those in just a minute. So basically, I'm in Alan Harlow's Studio 4 section at the Sync Center, which is kind of an off-campus building for upper division students. So the tentative schedule that we've been given is the first 3 weeks are going to be research, interpretation, and discussing the actual anatomy of dwelling. That means literally like what rooms are in it, things of that sort. The next 2 weeks are going to be the design palette, investigating materials, production, fabrication, systems, technology, getting a little more detailed on things, as well as a strategy to the design. Then the next few weeks after that are going to be conceptual development, and that's really starting to develop the form and the shape that everything is going to be put into. And then at that point, we should be pretty well along, and we're going to spend a week or two doing some feedback and analysis and evaluation and really pick it apart. And then after that, we're going to spend the last month really refining it and really getting it articulated well. Things like that. So the site, I guess actually I'm going to go into those items I listed earlier once we get more into the design phase. Since we're just in the research phase, I'll have to come back to it. So stay tuned.